In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows in Notion. If you've ever wanted to point attention to something in your notes, show direction in a workflow, or simply make your pages a bit clearer, arrows are a simple, effective touch. We're going to use Notion's built-in emoji picker, which is quick, consistent across devices, and doesn't require any extra tools. Start by placing your typing cursor where you want the arrow to appear. Now, type a /, then the word emoji, and press enter. The / in Notion opens a command menu, and emoji tells Notion you want the emoji picker. Pressing enter confirms that choice and opens the emoji panel right where you're working, so you don't have to leave your flow or navigate away from your page. With the emoji picker open, you'll see a search field at the top. Type the word arrow or arrow. This filters the emoji library to show only arrow options, so you don't have to scroll through dozens of categories. You should now see a variety of arrows: left, right, up, down, diagonal, curved, double-headed, and more. This gives you the flexibility to match the direction or style you need, whether you're mapping a process, indicating next steps, or highlighting movement in a sequence. Once you see the arrow you want, simply click it to insert it. The arrow appears in line with your text at the cursor location. Because it's an emoji, it automatically adopts the font size and weight of the text block you're in, so it stays consistent with your page's styling. You can place spaces around it to adjust how it sits between words, or put it on its own line if you want it to stand out. If you need multiple arrows, you can insert more the same way or copy and paste the one you just added. That's really all there is to it. Type /emoji and press enter, type arrow to filter your choices, and click the arrow that matches the direction you want. If the emoji panel doesn't appear, make sure your cursor is in a standard text block and that you type the / followed by emoji without extra spaces. On mobile or tablet, the flow is the same. Open the emoji picker using the / command, search arrow, and tap your choice. With this quick method, you can add clear directional cues anywhere in your Notion pages. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your notes more visual and easier to follow.